just want to sleep. That's time for work. Hold on. It's raining its ass off and I just got off work. So I'm gonna head to Carrie's before she goes to work. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. I'm leaving now. Still raining. There's a puppy in the window. See ya. Leaving Carrie's now. It's still raining. Finally home. I think I need to do some laundry. Yeah, definitely gotta do some laundry.
How about this? This is too loud right here. Okay.
And now we wait. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try to take a shower. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm not out of the shower yet. Okay, now I'm out of the shower. If you were wondering what that song was that you were just hearing, it's a song of a project called 80 Years that I'm working on. There's still a lot to do, and I'm way behind on producing it. But I'm coming along and I'm learning a lot more as I do it. So I have all the songs, let me focus. I have all the songs done, and I have all the lyrics wrote for them. But just producing it and making it on the computer and everything, I might just need new software. So I'm really excited to start putting out some of that stuff, and I constantly think about making music videos for at least one or two of them, just because I have 2 or 3 of the songs completely done. My camera just fell. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the vlog short today, because I'm going to go back up to Carrie's and hang out with her. But before we go, a G chord. Thanks for tuning in. So emotional. It's so flooded. Ooh, my feet are cold.